Air travel is the safest form of travel right now. And I think that we play a key role in that.
We're on every airliner in the sky. There's a reason for that. When that equipment comes in the door, it's the start of a process filled with pride and craftsmanship.
Nosotros no solo reparamos el equipo, lo mejoramos.
We take real pride in our expertise in evaluating the parts and determining what they need to be made new again.
Es muy importante para Honeywell que todas las familias y las personas en general puedan ser comunicados alrededor del mundo por medio de nuestros productos que ofrecemos a nuestros clientes.
Being the original equipment manufacturer, we can do things for you that nobody else can do.
Nosotros hicimos estas piezas y conocemos el avión mejor que ninguna otra compañía.
When that part leaves this building, it goes back on the airplane where it connects people, places, and families.
My kids will say, "Mom, do you think you have any parts on this airplane that we're getting on?" So my kids are proud, and that means a lot to me.
Honeywell is always looking for the latest technology in inspection and manufacturing systems and training us on those new systems as they come out.
I've been with this company 36 years, and I've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of parts out there that I did, that I touched, that I helped. That means a lot to me.